In this Wix website builder tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show tools here on your Wix website. So in the editor, you have a lot of different things that you can do with quick edits, selecting things, even adding elements and sections over here. But there's actually tools that you can use that are design tools. In the upper right, we see a tools button here, and we can click on that. And there's a couple different options here. But to show the toolbar, you need to select toolbar and make sure it's checkmarked. That's going to show up underneath that dropdown. So here's the toolbar. You can drag it around and move it wherever you want here. But it has a ton of different options. You've got your copy pastes and deletes. You've got arrangement and alignment. You have arrange and alignment options here. And so you can arrange objects or elements on your page. You can also line up elements together. And even rotation and all these different design tools showing you width and height and position of things and whether or not an element is shown on all pages. You can also get to your layers panel here by clicking layers at the bottom. But that's how you can show your toolbar here on Wix.